Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. My name's Chris. So I wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you this latest arrival. Now this is a little bit special. I've always had a bit of a soft spot for the Discovery. So this one is a Dynamic HSE. So it's one of the flagship models with a lot of toys on it. So I'm going to try and do it some justice and show you some of those as we go around. But more importantly, this is a car that's come direct from Jaguar Land Rover themselves. So it's arguably had the best start to life. Owned, used, maintained by Jaguar Land Rover, and then released to us, and we get the pleasure of selling it. All right, so this is a D350, so it's 350 horsepower, all-wheel drive, fully automatic, one of the most capable SUVs on the market. And to be fair, I've had the pleasure of having one of these for about 6 months, and I would say it's probably one of the most comfortable cars you'll drive. It really are gorgeous. Now, if you come around the side, this one's been dressed with those 22-inch alloys. Look at them. How good do they look? So we've got diamond turned with a satin finish on the inside and a nice silver finish on there. They really, really do look stunning. And that silicon silver is one of the premium paints as well. So we've got keyless entry. We've got 360-degree cameras. We've got power folding mirrors with a blind spot assist system on there. We've got the gloss black roof rails and rear privacy glass. So all combining to give it a real nice presence on the side, but with some nice toys as well. So around the back, we've got a power assisted tailgate, and with the Discovery, we've got a nice little bench on there that'll take the weight of, shall we say, some fully grown adults. This one has also got the air suspension on here as well, so you can actually raise and lower this. So let's say you've got something quite heavy that you want to put in the boot, you can press that and get it to its lowest level. Or let's say if you're putting a dog in the boot and you want this to stay up when you open the tailgate, you can set it to do that as well. It is a 7-seater as standard, and being the HSE Dynamic, they're actually a heated rear seat as well. Now, there's not many 7-seaters that you're going to find that level of luxury to have a heated rear seat as opposed to the middle row. It is an approved used Land Rover, so it comes with all the warranty and roadside assistance that you'd get from Land Rover themselves. So you can take it to any Land Rover dealership in the country. But look at that interior. It's gorgeous. We've got Ebony, and we've also got the light Oyster detailing on there with a twin stitch and a nice perforation just to give you that added comfort on the pad when you sit on it. We've got electronically adjustable seats on there and a Meridian surround system as well. Now, as I've just walked around the front of the car, I've spotted, and I can't believe I didn't say this at the start, I'm actually kicking myself. This one's got the black exterior pack. Let me point that out when we get back to the front of the car. So, the car's only done 900, I wish, 9,836 miles, which is well within its infancy for a car like this. So, we've got twin sunroofs on Discovery, okay, giving it loads of light as we get them open. Let's get this radio turned down. And one little thing I like about Discovery as well is this hidden compartment, which you've got loads of extra space for your wallet and your change and things like that. We've got latest infotainment system, so it's Pivi Pro. We've got Bluetooth voice control, DAB radio, we've got satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's even Amazon Alexa on there, and it'll even tell you what the weather's going to be like. I mean, you cannot get much more in an infotainment system, but it is really, really easy to use, very intuitive, very responsive. I can do a separate video on that if needed. Got a heated steering wheel as well as heated seats, and we've also got cooled seats as well, which for the 30 seconds of summer we get in this country, it is an absolute godsend, but for the rest of it, you've got the heating. Adaptive cruise control on there as well, and a 3-stage memory function for the seats, so there's none of that arguing over somebody moving your seat position. You just hit your number, and it'll go back to exactly as you set it. So I mentioned the black pack, didn't I? The black exterior pack, the gorgeous gloss black branding, and the black surrounds on there. So all in all, it's a lovely car. There's a lot on it. A quick recap: we've got 22-inch alloys, air suspension, we've got heated and cooled seats on there. We've got the Ebony and the light Oyster interior. We've got the Meridian surround system. I mean, it's a lovely car. If you'd like to know more, I would definitely encourage you to make an inquiry. You can do that either via this website or just give us a call. The number is 01642 644 444.